Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Today we're talking about one of my favorite loan programs. We're proud to announce one of the only lenders in the country that's actually specializing in a direct lender for the first lien HELOC. And I love this program so much, that's why I keep talking about it. And today we're actually talking about the utility, or how to use it, how to make money with a first lien HELOC. That's what the purpose of it is, and how to get rich or make millions of dollars or whatever your definition of wealth is, but actually use this program for its true intent, for its true purpose, and that's to increase your cash flow, increase your ROI. So we're going to show some case studies of some of the people, some of the clients that we've actually helped to actually boost their income and turn their house into a cash machine, a cash flow generator, by converting their mortgage, getting rid of their mortgage, and convert it into a first lien HELOC. And so we're talking about the basic utility of it right now and how you can use it in the real estate industry to invest and grow your wealth. So I'm a big advocate of the first lien HELOC. I love the concept of it, and I really believe getting rid of your mortgage and replacing it with a first lien HELOC and using your home to build wealth is the hallmark of what I believe in. And so today we're just going to show you how you can actually, for an example, and what a lot of my clients do that are savvy real estate investors, and how they actually make millions of dollars with a first lien HELOC. So the first thing is, and if you're wondering what a first lien HELOC is, I've shot a ton of videos on this subject, so please check out those videos. I'm assuming you've already watched those videos. If you haven't, watch my videos on that. If you don't know who I am Angelo Christian. We're a nationwide commercial and residential lender. I've been lending for over 20 years and done billions in lending, from everything commercial, hard money, residential, and investor lines of credit, no-doc loans, HELOC loans, jumbo, FHA, VA, USDA, you name it. We try to figure out and go the extra mile for you guys to get you the funding. But basically, the idea here is we're going to use a simple example that you can see. And I'm assuming you already know what a first lien HELOC is. So in this example, if someone has a $500,000 home, okay, it's free and clear. So they have $500,000 of available credit, okay? So on the HELOC, the interest rates are starting, obviously it's based on the market, subject to the day, 4.75% interest only. You go up to 90% loan to value. There's no PMI, no escrows. That's amazing in its own right. But we're going to use it. You have $500,000 just sitting there. You can go grab it, right? You don't have to do a refinance or sell anything. You just have the money as available credit. And let's say you want to become an investor, and you want to get involved in fix and flips, or you already do fix and flips. Well, in this example, and I see this all the time, you buy a $200,000 deal. It needs $50,000 in rehab, so you've spent $250,000, right, on your project, but the property's worth $340,000. Okay, we see this, people do this all the time. So it has $90,000 of profit in it, right? So you use your money in the HELOC to go and purchase the property. You pay cash for the house. You put the rehab in, and you're only paying 4.75% interest only, and you have a profit of $90,000 when you sell the home, gross profit, right? So the idea behind this is obviously to rinse and repeat. How many of these can you do? You have $500,000 available. I mean, you could technically do two of these at the same time. Instead of making $90,000, you can make $180,000. But the whole point of this is that if you're smart, you'll tap into your home's equity and use that as, like I said in the beginning, a cash flow generator to multiply your income. Because, I mean, let's face it, if you just live in your home and you're just paying on your mortgage, I mean, what good is it doing for you? What is the utility? It doesn't make a lot of sense to do that when you can use your equity in your home as a business, as a machine to make money. So that's the idea behind this, because you could do this. I mean, you don't have to do it 10 times a year. You could do it 5 times a year, whatever your comfort number is. But at least you're getting something out of your house versus not doing anything at all. So even if you did 1 or 2 or 5, and you can keep going back to the well and get more money and rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. I mean, where else can you do that at, guys? You're using your home as a line of credit. It's a brilliant idea. So we want to help you guys out there to get rid of your mortgage, if you have one, and convert it to a first lien HELOC. Remember, this is for primary residents only in the United States of America, with the exception of Maryland. So call or text me if you want to get rid of your mortgage and you want to convert it over to a first lien HELOC. We want to hear from you. We want to help you guys. and see if you can qualify if you're eligible for this. We have videos on the topic on the program. You can watch those videos on the requirements, the guidelines. Call or text me. We're open 7 days a week for you, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 832-431-6331. You can also click on that link below to get signed up, to get pre-approved. We want to hear from you. And if you have any comments for any videos, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Help us on YouTube to grow our channel. Push this information out into the world. We want to hear from all of you and do whatever we can to help and serve you guys in America to get you the best mortgage funding in the country. Call or text Angelo Christian. We want to hear from you, and check out my next video one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.